Hello. In this video, we are going to discuss a very good question based on the property of numbers. So the question is, a student wrote n consecutive natural numbers starting from 1 on a blackboard and then found their sum. So there was a student, he wrote numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till n and found their sum, right? So I'm writing till 6 and he write till n and found their sum. Now what happened is another student came along and erased the least number on the board and found the sum of the remaining number. Fine. In this manner, students came along and erased the least number on the board, in each case finding the sum of the remaining numbers until the number left on the board was n. If the average of all the sums found by the student is 188, we need to find the value of n. Now this is a really very good question. Right. Now this is the sum found by first student. I am denoting it by S1. Sum found by first student. Fine. The sum found by second student would be, he must have erased 1 because this is the least number on the board, right? So he must have found sum of 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and so on till n, and let me write n minus 1 until n, right? इस तरह से हम लिख देते हैं n minus 1 and last term is n. अब third student आते हैं. Now what he will do is he will erase the least number present at that time on the board. So the least number present at that particular time is 2. So he will erase 2. So he will find the sum of 3 remaining numbers, that is 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 and so on till n minus 1 and n. Fine. Now this series will continue. The fourth student will erase 3 and will find the sum from 4, 5 and 6 and so on till n minus 1 and n. Now the most important question, ये series या ये sequence कितने time तक चलने वाला है? Okay, so see, जो first student था उन्होंने एक भी term erase नहीं किया था, second student ने first term erase किया, third student ने second erase किया, fourth student ने third erase किया. ऐसे ही n minus 1 कौन सा student erase करने वाला है? nth number वाले student. इसको समझना बहुत जरूरी है. देखिए, जो सेकंड स्टूडेंट आया उन्होंने 1 वाला टर्म इरेज किया, जो थर्ड स्टूडेंट आया उन्होंने 2, जो फोर्थ आया उन्होंने 3. हमें इरेज कहां तक करना है? लीस्ट नंबर इन ईच केस फाइंडिंग द सम ऑफ द रिमेनिंग नंबर्स अंटिल द नंबर लेफ्ट ऑन द बोर्ड वाज n. तो जब तक n बच जाता है तब तक हमें सम फाइंड करना है. दैट मींस वी नीड टू इरेज द नंबर्स टिल n-1. और n-1 कौन से नंबर वाला स्टूडेंट इरेज करने वाला है? nth. So I'm writing it over here. Sn is equal to, that will be n only, right? n minus 1 तक तो उन्होंने इरेज कर दिया होगा. Now what we need to do is we need to find the sum, then calculate the average, and that must be equal to 188. That is given in the question. If the average of all the sums found by the student is 188, we need to find the value of n. Now there is a simple way to solve this question. Now see, 1 कितनी times आ रहा है? So 1 is appearing only one time. Now 2 is coming for 2 times. So can I write it as 2 into 2? Then 3 is coming for 3 times, which is 3 into 3. 4 is coming 4 times, 4 into 4. 5 will be coming for 5 times, right? That is 5 into 5. And so on till n is coming for n times. And this is nothing but 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on till n square. Fine. And we know that the formula for summation of n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Fine. Now this is the sum. And the average was equal to 188. Now this is average of n sums. So now this is the total of n sums, sorry. So to find the average, we need to divide it by n. हमको ये n values का sum दे रखा है, तो average find करने के लिए n से divide करना पड़ेगा, and this must be equal to 188. So cancelling this n and n, so we'll get a quadratic equation over here, and the equation would be something like 2n square plus 3n minus 1127 is equal to 0. I'm skipping the solution part, that is quite easy, right? So on solving this, you'll get two values of n. One is 23 and the other one is minus 49 by 2. Now obviously n cannot be negative. So the answer to this question is n equal to 23. So I hope this question is clear to you. Thank you.